Okay, so my phone today is not working. You can see if I hold the power button, see, nothing happens. And when I plug the charger in, and there, nothing happens. Usually if I plug the charger in, you could see in the display. Hello guys, I'm gonna teach you how to repair your phone. You could save some money by doing this. I have already done it a few times. Okay, so my phone here has been dead. It won't turn on. If I press the power button, see, nothing happens. So this had happened already in the past. I had my phone dead. Suddenly it won't turn on. So what I did is I went to some browser and searched it online how to fix my phone. So I saved some money, and I'm gonna show you how to fix your phone in online. Search online to save some money. Okay, and here we are. We're gonna find a solution from the online. This phone is broken, and first of all, I'm not a technician or anything. So the first thing I do is find some answers on the internet how I fix the phone, how I fix some things or anything. It is very useful, the internet. So here is a site where some samples which you could do. I mean, you could test some things so you could save money and no need to bring to a technician. Like here, hold the power button, then if your power button could be your power button, it could be broken. So troubleshoot your cable, charger, outlet in case your charger could not be working. So you should try a different charger first in case the phone is not charging. Could be that. Or troubleshoot your battery charge. Could be your battery is dead already and you need to find another battery. Troubleshoot your screen. Yeah, could be your screen and not working. That's the case happened to mine, because I'm sure that my phone has been broken physically. And next is, this is what I did before. I mean, my older phone, I did this and it fixed my phone. Not this, hard factory reset. Oh, here, factory reset your phone. On most phones, you can reset your phone through the settings app. If you can open your phone setting up, you can try factory resetting your phone using its power and volume button. Okay, what I did was, before turning on your phone, hold the power button and the volume button, either the volume button up or the volume button down. Hold it then for a few seconds, then plug your charger in or wait for it to on. It could work. It worked on my older phone. Then if you see there's an, what do you call that? There will be some option which appear, and what you need to do is select the clear data, so you could erase everything, and could be your software problem. and erase everything in there, and that would get you a fresh copy of your phone. Don't know, there could be some virus or something that's allowing your phone to die. So do that and it could work. Then after after clearing the data, then choose the reboot option button. Okay, so I'll try to find a video sample for you, and you could follow those instructions and it could work.
Here is a video where we're gonna reset the phone. Hold the volume button and the power button together. A menu should appear. Use the volume button to select and the power button to enter the choice. Choose the wipe data or the factory reset. Choose the yes option to confirm. Be sure you had saved your files before doing this. After the factory reset of your phone, just choose the restart or reboot option. It should work.
And that's how I repaired my older phone. Okay, so there you have it. Fixing your phone through online. And how I'm gonna fix this is you have to know if your phone has been damaged in the hardware or the software. It's either if you hold up, the inside of this phone or what I mean is the physical or the spiritual. I mean the physical is the hardware. Then the other is the software, which if you turn it on, you could turn it on, but you could not, the phone keeps restarting or the LCD won't turn on. Okay. Anyway, I'll show you, because this has been damaged physically. What happened was this has been folded down 2 times on my waistline, and then it won't turn on. It's turning on, but nothing happens. You could know that your LCD is broken or it has loosened. So I'm gonna teach you how I am gonna repair this. Okay? So I am gonna repair this through, if you don't know anything about your phone, technical problems, what you need to do is bring it to a store and do some repair. Because after trying a lot of times what you search online and it didn't work, then you gotta bring it to a technician. If you don't know how to DIY repair for yourself, if you don't know anything inside of it, it could get even worse if you broke something by opening this phone. So you should bring it to some other store which could repair your phone. And how I knew this was not the software related problem, because that's it fell down and broke. So it could be the LCD problem, because when it won't turn on, but the other time when it fall down, then that time I was touching the screen and it still have the display. It's showing the display. Then later it was disappeared. It's gone. So I'm suspecting that the LCD has been loose. It's not broken, but it's loose. So let's I'm sure of it. And be careful of the people who you ask for the repair, because most of them cheats on you. Yes, of course, but actually not cheat, but they would want to make money out of you. I'm sure that if you ask some people, they would tell you to, what do you call that? They will say that it is broken, but actually it's not broken. You have to find someone who could repair your phone honestly, because they will fool you, they will fool the money out of you, because they are making some money. Okay, so that's it. And later, that's it. I'm gonna bring it to the store. I'm gonna look for a technician who could repair this phone. Then I'll give you some update.
Okay, so I brought it to a mall where there are many repair stores and some are selling gadgets and so on. This is the fourth store I have asked, and this honest person, and it is located in the upper floor. The others I have asked, they just said my LCD is broken. They did not even check my phone truly. And you know, LCD costs a lot. Rather than you repair your LCD, it's better you buy a new phone. Just remember, you need to ask around first before surrendering your phone. I was told that my phone could be repaired without changing the LCD. So in that way, I had saved a lot of money. And the technician did check my phone truly. Okay, let us fast forward the video. This is the part where they open up my phone. Then they stick some glue for phones, and that's it. My LCD is just loose. They attach it back to the board. This is funny. Just to repair my phone, they just stick some glue in it, and it's done. Problem is, we don't know anything about the hardware of our phone. If you could, then you could do it on your own. You could save up some extra money. Could use to buy the money for snacks or something. If you could do the repair on yourself. A technician is showing that my LCD has loosened and he stick it back to the board. And it is just a minor repair. Anyway, we already have saved a lot of money. People base on your appearance. If you look like a foreigner or dress up like someone rich, then you'll be charged a lot more. That's how the business industry runs. That's how our life goes. So here they've been sticking some tape around the phone to avoid the damage. Without sticking it, the board of the LCD might get loose again. It is to wait for the glue to harden. And so I was told to wait for a few hours before removing the tape. It looks ugly anyway with the tapes on. The important thing is we had our phone repaired rather than getting a new one. And that did even save us a lot more of money. And okay, so the repair is done now. And here's our phone. You could see that the display is back again. This is amazing!
And finally, I had my cell phone back, and here it is. You would see that they put some tape on so it won't get removed, and I'll show you that here you can see that there are some small here plastic which is sort of like the glue they use, so the screen would get attached and it won't get removed. I'll show you that it's already fixed, could be turned on. There, it's on, see? Oh, wait. There, it's on. Here are the tapes. They say that this must not be removed in a few hours. Then later, we're gonna remove it and use it fine. It's fixed. It's fixed, and this took around just a few minutes. They just take some glue. I'd already shown in the video. And that's the other way to repair your phone. If your phone LCD could not be turned on, and okay, I hope your phone gets fixed too, and good luck to you. Bye.